In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover files saved by AutoRecover in PowerPoint 2010 step by step. This is super useful if PowerPoint closed unexpectedly, your computer restarted, or you forgot to save a presentation and now you need to get it back quickly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint 2010 on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, look toward the top left corner and click File. This will take you into the Backstage view where you can manage your presentations, access recent files, and find recovery options. From there, click Info. In the Info section, you'll see a few options related to document management and file recovery. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools for working with unsaved or recovered presentations. Next, click Manage Presentations. This option is usually found on the right side of the screen. When you open it, PowerPoint will show you file recovery related options including any unsaved work that may still be available. Now select Recover Unsaved Presentations. This is the key step. PowerPoint will open a folder containing any unsaved presentation files that were automatically preserved by AutoRecover. If your file was not properly saved before PowerPoint closed, this is where you'll often find it. Once the folder opens, look through the list of available files and open the one you want to restore. If you're not sure which one is correct, check the file names and dates carefully. Open the file, review it, and make sure it contains the presentation you need. After the file opens, the most important next step is to save it right away. Click File, then choose Save as if needed, and save the presentation to a safe location on your computer. This makes sure your recovered file is permanently stored and won't be lost again if something happens. And that's it. You've now recovered a file saved by AutoRecover in PowerPoint 2010 and saved it properly so you can keep working without losing your progress. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint and software tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.